Hello. I wanted to record a video so that teachers are able to go ahead and log into at least one computer so throughout the day the students are able to make purchases throughout the week. But more importantly, if students are going to the PBIS rewards party, they would need to make the purchase before October 31st. So I'm going to show you a quick way to make the ticket purchase, and then the students are able to make the other purchases um, individually by themselves in their free time. So you're going to sign in, and you're going to go to your left-hand side, the stores. And I'm going to show you this because I want you to be able to preview like a lot of the things that are in the store that the students can purchase and work towards getting points for. Everything is still getting updated, but more importantly, the party ticket is gold and it'll be under special prizes. All these special prizes are available to the students. So, in order for the students to purchase the ticket or the teacher to go ahead and purchase the ticket for the students, you need to go to your group. And I'm just going to use Miss Rivera's class for an example. And her class will come up, and you will be able to go over to the left hand side where it says menu, and you'll press store. In the store, oh, let me just say there's two stores. There's your store, and then there's the Roadrunner store. So this is the Roadrunner store. So you will scroll down, and you will see all the items that we just previously viewed in the other screen. And the PBIS party will be at the very bottom. So what you can do is you can just select, oh, give me a raise of hands who wants to go to the party. And if everyone raises their hands, that'll be wonderful. And so you just click them all, and I know there's an easier way to do this, but or just click any student that wants to attend and press PBIS party. Once you press PBIS party, you're going to scroll back up and press checkout. Now, this is the most important part, teachers. And this is for every item. This is for the party. This is for items that they want to purchase. You will get this screen where you can edit okay, did they really want it to the left or not? But to the right is the most important, this area right here. Because when you redeem it, you need to press redeem later because only redeem later will be sent to Miss August. And this is for the students as well. So if you need to show them this screen, you can also show them this. They are to press redeem later. Now, if it's your own store, it's redeem now. But for the PBIS reward store, it's redeem later. That way the purchases will come to me and I'm able to fill the orders. And once I fill the orders, then I will redeem them. Okay? So if you have any questions, any concerns, or you need me to come to your class, I have no problem doing that. Okay, have a wonderful day.